Global share markets were mixed overnight, with both Asian and European markets in positive territory, while US markets were in the negative. Asia awaits what could possibly be the largest initial public offering of shares to ever come to the market. The Chinese government is looking to sell down its stake in the Agricultural Bank of China for $19.2 billion US. This massive uptake of sales in the shares does provide some confidence that investors are feeling pretty good about China and the future growth prospects for that region of the world. The bank is massive, with 24,000 branches nationwide, and last year alone it lent the same amount of money equivalent to New Zealand's GDP. Early on Wednesday morning, a slightly weaker Fonterra Global Dairy Trade auction had done little for the New Zealand dollar. The New Zealand dollar was trading up against most currencies, trading up to about 69.30 against the US and getting closer to 46p against the pound. On the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, liquid milk futures have been increasing since later on in June. They are currently up about 5% since this date. Strong demand and concerns about production have been driving this latest upswing. It is forecasted that the US summer will be very hot over coming months, and traders are concerned that this will be a drag on per cow output and on overall production, which to date has been pretty strong in the US. Fonterra's Global Dairy Trade auction held on Tuesday night did indicate some weakness for Oceania dairy prices. Prices fell across the board by between 11 and 14% for all of the products. It is not a surprise that prices have fallen back given the turmoil we have seen in markets over the past 2 months, especially for commodities and of course in equities. Fonterra also indicated that this current tight supply dynamics that have been supporting the market over recent months may have eased. This will be an area to watch closely. We continue to believe that if prices are able to be maintained at or close to current levels, the payout still looks closer to $7 as opposed to $6. However, if we do see further falls, this will be of some concern.